Okay, you guys, I'm going to try the Jori washing method from Luxurious. I've seen you all doing this and I wanted to give it a try. I have just received a couple wigs from JD Extensions. This is my Claire, or no, this is my Aussie in the Silver Sand Blonde, and she's the long. She does feel amazing. Don't get me wrong, she feels amazing. She feels, I don't know, I want to see if this is going to do anything. And the other one I'm going to do is the Sienna, what is it? Burnt Sienna Aussie. This is the original length. I'm just going to make sure I brush through her. So many of you guys were saying you felt like there was a silk, like so much extra product on them. Mine doesn't really feel that bad. Like I would have no problem wearing it, but I want to see if this is going to make a difference. Look at that color. It is so pretty. Again, this is the Aussie Burnt Sienna and the Aussie Silver Sand Blonde. So I just have cold water here. Now I'm going to use just opening this up. I just ordered these in a week ago. This is the Herbal Essence Rose Hips. This is apparently the one that you have to use. So we're just going to squirt a few drops in here, just in the cold water. We're going to agitate it. Okay, so let's put the red one in first. Just gently push her in. I'm really excited to see what this does, you guys. I'm all for trying out different products. I believe that's how we learn what works for us, because we're all different. What we like, what we don't like. Okay, so this is going to, I'm just gonna let them soak for about 20 minutes, and then I'll be back. I'm just gonna guess. I'm gonna use about 6. And then I'm gonna get a spoon. I remember watching videos and they said to only use like the amount of water that you need to basically cover the wigs. So I'm just going to use 1 heaping tablespoon. This is like the big kitchen spoon. Whether that's enough, I have no idea. Now these are brand new wigs. They've only just been tried on for like reviews. So they're not dirty. They just have product on them. All right. In goes the burnt sienna. And then in goes the Silver Sand Blonde. Now I'm going to leave these soak for about probably another 20 minutes, like I did with the shampoo. First up, what we're going to do is you're just going to make sure that we're mixing this all up and in. I can see some particles floating here. This one. And they say just to kind of agitate it. So we'll be back in to agitate throughout this 20 minutes. And then I'm really excited to see how these feel. Really, really, really excited. Actually, I think Jori went through it at this point and she brushed that stuff all through the fibers. And yes, I'm of the same mindset that you do not run a brush through your fibers. But even my friend Cass does that when she does her shampooing now, or conditioning. So, stepping out of my comfort zone. Okay, let's do it to the sienna. It's just helps to get all that goodness through all the fibers. Because you can see how when it's wet, they all kind of cling together. So make sure you're not like tugging. All right, here we go. Now I did get some fibers that came out doing that, and that's okay. They would have come out anyways eventually. Okay. So I'll see you guys back in 20 minutes. Okay, let's give this a feel. And this one. Oh, these feel so soft. Okay, I think I'm gonna let them soak just a little bit longer. Just because I can. So maybe another 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, we are outside on the deck. I got this off the Temu. It's an amazing little hair drying or clothing drying thing. And it is so hot here today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip this with a boot clip for this one. I need my fingers to work. There we go. And we're just going to hang it upside down. And then the other one, I have a S-hook. I'm just going to clip it in with the open wefting. I'm going to grab my brush. And I'm just going to give it a light, very gentle brush through. Look how easy that's going through, you guys. All the way down to the ends. That's impressive. Okay, so there's that one. Excuse the recycling truck. Look at the curls. Oh, so pretty. This is going to dry so fast. All right, you guys, I will let you know what they are like once they're dry. All right, they are dry. They feel amazing. This is the Silver Sand Blonde. Oh, you guys. They brush through amazing. It feels amazing. The movement is very, very natural. Okay, let's try the burnt sienna. It's not, it was, I was saying, what was I saying? Burnt sienna. No, it's not burnt sienna. It's toasted sienna, you guys. So this is the Aussie toasted sienna. Look at her. So pretty. And the, guys, I wish I could tell you, these fibers feel so light. doesn't make sense to me. But here, let's do this. It feels so light. The movement is amazing. Look at that. No, I definitely am very happy with Jori's method. Thank you, Jori, for sharing this. You guys, stay with me on my journey here. I'm going to be trying out another way to wash and condition your wigs. But I just wanted to show you the Jori method and my thoughts, my opinions. Would I do this again? Yes. These were brand new wigs, and they just, the shine is it's not like overly shiny. We are outside. I'm impressed. Absolutely impressed. Okay, stay tuned, you guys, and happy Friday.